When you're hurtling down a rough trail, the bit of your bike working hardest to keep you in control is the rear shock. This vital component is what separates a bone-rattling ride from a smooth, confidence-inspiring one. At the heart of every rear shock is a spring, and that spring comes in two main flavors: coil and air. The choice between them can completely change how your bike feels underneath you. It's one of the most significant decisions you can make when setting up your mountain bike. Influencing everything from comfort on long climbs to control during high-speed descents. Understanding the fundamental differences is the first step to unlocking your bike's true potential and tailoring its performance precisely to your needs. A coil shock uses a simple, yet incredibly effective, piece of technology: a steel spring. Think of a pogo stick or an old car's suspension. The principle is exactly the same. The shock compresses a wound piece of steel to absorb impacts from the trail. It's a beautifully straightforward system that has been proven over decades of use. The spring stiffness, or spring rate, is fixed, meaning you have to choose the right coil for your body weight and riding style. This physical spring is what gives coil shocks their distinct character, one that many aggressive riders swear by for its consistency and sensitivity, providing a planted and predictable feel on the most demanding terrain. On the other side of the ring, we have the air shock. Instead of a hefty steel coil, an air shock uses pressurized air trapped inside a sealed chamber to act as the spring. It works a bit like a highly sophisticated bicycle pump in reverse. As the shock compresses, it squeezes this air into a smaller space, which makes it push back, thereby absorbing the bump. The clever part is that you can easily change the spring rate simply by adding or removing air with a special high-pressure pump. This makes air shocks incredibly versatile and easy to tune, which is a massive advantage for riders who want to fine-tune their setup without buying new hardware. So, we have two different methods of achieving the same goal: soaking up the hits the trail throws at you. A coil shock relies on the inherent mechanical properties of a steel spring, offering a linear and consistent feel from start to finish. In contrast, an air shock uses the physics of compressed gas, providing a progressive spring curve that becomes firmer the deeper you push into the travel. This fundamental difference in how they work is the source of all their respective pros and cons. It dictates their weight, their feel on the trail, how they are adjusted, and ultimately, which type of rider and which discipline they are best suited for. The greatest advantage of a coil shock is its incredible sensitivity to small bumps. Because there are fewer internal seals needed to hold high-pressure air, there is less initial friction, or stiction, to overcome. This means the shock can start moving and absorbing even the tiniest trail chatter with almost no effort. This translates to a feeling of immense grip and a connection to the trail that is often described as glued or planted. Your rear tire tracks the ground more accurately, providing superb traction when climbing technical sections or carving through loose corners, giving you a huge boost in confidence when things get rough and unpredictable. This sensitivity also contributes to a wonderfully supple and comfortable ride. The shock smooths out the trail beneath you, reducing fatigue on long, bumpy descents. The spring rate of a coil is also linear, meaning it requires the same amount of force to compress it through each millimeter of its travel. This consistent and predictable behavior makes it easier to use all of your available suspension travel without any harsh ramp-up at the end of the stroke. For riders tackling big, repeated hits on downhill tracks, this linear nature provides a very consistent and dependable feel, preventing the bike from feeling unpredictable deep in its travel. However, the coil shock is not without its drawbacks. The most obvious one is weight. A steel spring is significantly heavier than a chamber of air, and for disciplines where every gram counts, such as cross-country or trail riding, this can be a deal-breaker. That extra mass can make the bike feel less lively and harder to pedal on long climbs. If you are focused on getting to the top of the hill as fast as possible, or enjoy a nimble and playful ride, the added weight of a coil shock can be a noticeable disadvantage that you will feel on every single pedal stroke. Adjustability is another key area where coil shocks fall short compared to their air-sprung cousins. To change the spring rate, you must physically swap the entire coil for one with a different weight rating. This means you need to buy a separate coil for your specific body weight, and if your weight changes or you start carrying a heavy pack, you may need another. This can be both costly and inconvenient. While you still have external damping adjustments for rebound and compression, the fundamental spring stiffness is fixed, offering far less on-the-fly tuning potential than an air shock provides with just a few pumps. The standout feature of an air shock is its remarkable adjustability. With nothing more than a shock pump, you can precisely tune the spring rate to match your exact body weight and riding preferences. This is a massive benefit if you're having a leisurely ride one day, but plan to carry a heavy backpack for an epic adventure the next. You can adjust the pressure in seconds. You can even add or remove volume spacers inside the air can to change how progressive the spring feels, making it either more linear like a coil or more resistant to bottoming out on big hits. This level of customization is simply unmatched. Weight is another huge win for the air shock. By replacing a hefty steel spring with lightweight air, manufacturers can create shocks that are hundreds of grams lighter. This weight saving has a profound impact on the bike's overall feel, particularly for cross-country and trail riders. A lighter bike accelerates faster, climbs with less effort and feels more agile and easier to maneuver on tight, twisty trails. For any rider who values efficiency and a playful, poppy ride characteristic, the significant weight advantage of an air shock makes it the overwhelmingly popular choice and the standard for most bikes sold today. However, this reliance on pressurized air does come with a compromise in performance. Air shocks require more internal seals to keep the air contained, which creates more static friction, or stiction. This means more force is needed to get the shock moving initially, so it can't react to very small, high-frequency bumps with the same buttery smoothness as a coil shock. While modern air shocks have become incredibly good and the difference is narrowing, a coil shock still generally offers superior small bump sensitivity, which translates to better traction and comfort in certain chattery conditions that you might encounter on the trail. The natural characteristic of an air spring is also progressive. This means as the shock compresses deeper into its travel, the force required to compress it further increases exponentially. This provides excellent support in the mid-stroke and a strong resistance to bottoming out, which is great for riders who like to hit big jumps and drops. However, it can also make it difficult for lighter riders to use all of their available suspension travel. This progressive nature gives the bike a lively and poppy feel, encouraging you to pump through terrain and get airborne, but it can feel less planted and forgiving than the linear feel of a coil. So, which shock is right for you? It all comes down to your priorities and the type of riding you do most. For the gravity-focused disciplines like downhill and enduro racing, the coil shock is often king. Here, the ultimate priority is grip, control, and consistency during long, punishing descents. The superior small bump sensitivity and linear feel of a coil provide unparalleled traction and reduce fatigue, allowing riders to push harder for longer. The weight penalty is a small price to pay for the supreme performance and reliability required when you're racing against the clock on the world's most demanding tracks. Conversely, for cross-country and light-duty trail riding, the air shock is the undisputed champion. In these disciplines, efficiency and low weight are paramount. The significant weight savings of an air shock make a huge difference on climbs and over long distances. The ease of adjustability is also a massive plus, allowing riders to quickly set up their bike for optimal pedaling performance. The progressive spring rate provides a supportive platform for efficient pedaling and a poppy feel that makes the bike feel lively and fun, which is exactly what you want when you're covering ground quickly and efficiently. For the all-round trail or all-mountain rider, the choice becomes much more nuanced. This is where you need to be honest about what you value most in a ride. Do you prioritize a playful, poppy bike that's easy to throw around and efficient on the climbs? If so, a modern, high-performance air shock is likely your best bet. Or do you crave the ultimate in traction and comfort, wanting a bike that feels planted and composed through the roughest rock gardens, even if it means carrying a little extra weight up the hills? In that case, a coil shock could transform your ride. In conclusion, there's no single best shock. There's only the best shock for you. The coil shock offers supreme sensitivity, a linear feel, and unmatched performance in rough terrain, making it ideal for gravity riding at the cost of weight and adjustability. The air shock, on the other hand, provides incredible tuning potential, a lightweight, and a progressive, supportive feel, making it the perfect choice for cross-country and general trail use. Think about your local trails, your riding style, and what you want your bike to feel like. Are you chasing podiums or epic climbs? The answer to that will guide you to your perfect spring.